Have you ever felt like your stomach was a balloon about to burst? Digestive issues like bloating and cramps can make anyone uncomfortable. But don't worry, today, we're going to explore some amazing natural remedies that can help you feel better fast. Introduction to digestive issues. Our bodies are like machines that need the right fuel to work well. Sometimes, the food we eat doesn't agree with us, and that's when digestive problems can happen. Bloating, cramps, and other tummy troubles can make us feel yucky and stop us from enjoying our day. But here's the good news. Nature has given us lots of ways to help our bodies feel better. We're going to talk about simple things you can find in your kitchen or garden that can make a big difference in how your tummy feels. Understanding bloating. Let's start with bloating. Have you ever eaten a big meal and felt like your belly got bigger? That's bloating. It happens when too much gas or air gets stuck in your digestive system. Your tummy might feel tight, swollen, or even hurt a little. Bloating can happen for many reasons. Sometimes it's because of the foods we eat. Other times, it might be because we're stressed or our bodies are having trouble digesting properly. Whatever the reason, bloating is no fun. But don't worry, we've got some great ways to help. The power of fennel seeds. Our first natural remedy is something small but mighty, fennel seeds. These tiny seeds might look like little green twigs, but they pack a big punch when it comes to helping your tummy feel better. Fennel seeds have been used for hundreds of years to help with digestion. They have a sweet licorice-like taste that some people enjoy. The best part? They're super easy to use. After you eat, just chew on a teaspoon of fennel seeds. It's like giving your tummy a gentle massage from the inside. If you're not a fan of the taste, you can mix the seeds with a little sugar. This makes them more enjoyable to eat. You can even carry a small box of fennel seeds with you wherever you go. It's like having a secret weapon against tummy troubles in your pocket. The magic of green cardamom. Next up on our list of natural remedies is green cardamom. These little green pods might look strange, but they're amazing for your digestion. Cardamom is not just good for your tummy, it also makes your breath smell nice. You can chew on whole cardamom pods if you like, but be warned, they have a very strong flavor. It might feel like you just ate a spoonful of perfume at first. If that's too much for you, don't worry. You can break open the pods and put them in hot water instead. Let them sit for a while, then drink the water slowly. This cardamom tea can help relax the muscles in your gut and make bloating go away. Lemon tea with a twist. Sometimes, the simplest remedies are the best. Our third natural solution is a special lemon tea. But we're not just talking about regular lemon tea. This one has a little extra magic. To make this tea, you'll need a lemon, some hot water, and 2 secret ingredients, a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. These might sound strange in tea, but trust me, they work wonders for your digestion. This special lemon tea can help if your tummy is feeling upset. If you often have trouble with digestion, try drinking this tea in the morning instead of your usual drink. It's a great way to start your day and keep your tummy happy. The cumin water cure. Now, let's talk about a remedy that's very popular in many Indian homes, cumin water. Cumin is a spice that looks a bit like caraway seeds. It has a warm, earthy flavor and is great for your digestion. To make cumin water, you'll need a tablespoon of cumin seeds and about a cup of water. Boil the cumin in the water until about a quarter of the water has evaporated. Then, let it cool down until it's warm, not hot, and drink it. This simple drink can help with bloating, stomach cramps, and even general tummy aches. It's so effective that in many households, it's the first thing people turn to when someone has a stomach problem. Ajwain water for tummy relief. Similar to cumin water, we have another powerful digestive aid, Ajwain water. Ajwain, also known as carom seeds, is a spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. To make Ajwain water, use the same method as cumin water. Take a tablespoon of Ajwain seeds and boil them in a cup of water until it reduces by about a quarter. Let it cool to a warm temperature before drinking. Both Ajwain and cumin are spices that are great to have in your kitchen. They're inexpensive, last a long time if stored properly, and can be real lifesavers when tummy troubles strike. Remember, these drinks work best when they're warm. Don't make a big batch and store it in the fridge, make it fresh each time you need it. The importance of warm water. While we're talking about drinks, let's take a moment to talk about the temperature of the water you drink with meals. It might surprise you, but drinking ice-cold water with your food can cause bloating. When you eat, try to drink warm water instead of cold. Cold drinks can slow down your digestion, which can lead to an uncomfortable bloated feeling. Warm water, on the other hand, can help your body digest food more easily. Ginger, nature's digestive aid. Our sixth remedy is a spicy root that's been used for thousands of years to help with all sorts of health issues. Ginger. Ginger is especially good for your digestion. Here's a quick and easy way to use ginger for bloating. Cut a small piece of fresh ginger into tiny pieces. Mix these pieces with a little salt and ground black pepper. This makes a kind of instant pickle. Now, this pickle is pretty strong, so don't just bite into it. Instead, put a piece in your mouth and let it sit there for about 30 seconds. Then slowly chew and swallow it. The strong taste and smell of ginger tell your brain to start making digestive juices, which can help prevent bloating. If you know you often have trouble with digestion, try having this ginger pickle about 10 minutes before you eat. It can work like magic to help your food digest better. The 3-pepper tea. Our seventh remedy is a special tea that comes from Ayurveda, an ancient system of medicine from India. This tea uses 3 types of pepper: black peppercorns, long pepper, and ginger, which is sometimes called the third pepper. To make this tea, take equal amounts of black peppercorns, long pepper, and fresh ginger. Crush them together, then boil them in water. Let the tea cool until it's warm, then drink it slowly. This pepper tea doesn't just help with digestion. Like many of our other remedies, it can also help you relax. And that's important because stress is one of the biggest causes of poor digestion. We've covered simple remedies like fennel seeds and ginger. The amazing thing about these natural solutions is that they're not just treating symptoms. They're supporting your body's natural digestive processes. Remember, everyone's body is different. What works wonderfully for one person might not work as well for another. Don't be afraid to experiment with these remedies to find what works best for you. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of natural digestive remedies. I hope you've learned something new and useful. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this.